As you read in the title, I'm changing cameras. And if everything goes well, this is the last time I use this camera to film YouTube videos. So let me show you what I got. So this is the camera I've been using for about 5 years. This is a Panasonic camcorder. I've got a shotgun mic. It's worked out well, but the picture does not look as good as some other pictures that I've seen guys film on YouTube. Color's not as good. Background doesn't have the depth to it. Even my face is not as clear as some of the videos I've seen online of other people, and I just thought, well, they've got really expensive cameras. No, I'm just using a really old one, and I got lazy, and I apologize for that to you guys. So I started doing some, we'll call it testing and investigating, and one thing I noticed is there's a, when I go do my, like, we'll call it vlogging, I was using my GoPro 9, and I would set up another camera angle sometimes using the GoPro 9, and so here, this is the GoPro 9. So, as you can see the difference between the two cameras, Panasonic, GoPro 9. So the GoPro has the media mod on it and everything. And so this is where I'm going to cut the audio from the Panasonic. And we're going to go to the GoPro 9. So this is the audio for the GoPro 9 using the media mod. And I've used the shotgun mic that I use on the Panasonic with this camera. And I can't tell a huge difference. Maybe it's a little louder, picks up more background noise. Yeah, it kind of is a give or take. They're both decent audio. I know, and I'm going to, as I'm filming this, I'm going to say, ooh, maybe they're not so much. Regardless, it's what I've been using for a while. And it's not been terrible. So, but here is what happened. And I'm going to go back to just the Panasonic. There, I've turned off the GoPro. So now we're on the Panasonic. So what happened was I said, man, I really want to get a new camera. There's a lot of different cameras out there. There's more action cameras. There's the vlogging style cameras. And I thought those look interesting to me because they have the gimbal, they have the stability. And when I do moving around and stuff, when I do the whole walk and talk thing, that would be nice. Plus they're a smaller package, things I could take places where the camcorder is a little big and bulky. I bought a cheap Temu camera. Yeah, it doesn't have a brand name on it, doesn't have nothing. I used it to film a couple videos to see how I liked it. I'm sorry, stability on it wasn't great. So this is the Temu camera. So the problem with the Temu camera is that I don't feel like the audio is as good, especially if you step away from the camera for a bit. Now, this right here is stepping away from the Temu camera. And come back. This is in front of the Temu camera. So now we're going to go back to the shotgun mic on the Panasonic. We'll see if I can get all this edited right. Problem is like I still have good audio with the Panasonic with the shotgun mic, but the Temu camera has a better picture, which aggravated me because I'm like, man, really? Like Temu? And this was a camera that I bought for like 80 bucks and got us bunch of other stuff with it that, I mean, it is what it is off Temu. If you shopped on Temu, you know what I'm talking about. But it gave me this like, man, if I can get a camera off Temu that'll make a good stand camera, because stability is not really that big of a deal, and the fact that it doesn't have a 3-axis gimbal is not a big deal, but this would make a decent stand camera if I had audio, and we might figure out if I can change the audio on it. But it's better than my Panasonic. I'm like, I gotta do something. So we're going to go away from the side-by-side of the Temu. I am filming all these in 1080p, by the way, because I feel like that's only fair. I'm all doing 30 frames per second. And so I went and bought a different camera. And this one I spent some money on, right? Hold on just a second. Okay, so this is my new camera side by side with the Panasonic. So as you can tell, the picture quality is a lot better. I am filming all these in 1080p at 30 foot per second, or sorry, 30 frames per second. Sorry. This is the audio that's with the Panasonic, always has been. This is the audio with the new camera, and I have to say that I was impressed by it the other day. I'm sure editing this, I'm going to get to hear the difference between the shotgun mic and the camera, but just being up close in the camera, I thought it was interesting. So when I back up away from it, I don't know how much it changes the audio. I'm sure back here, it's not as good. It can't be. Me, when I go to editing this, I'll notice because I'll have a shotgun mic there and I'll be able to see what the difference is. But this camera right here comes with one of these, and you already know what brand it is. Yeah. I bought a DJI. Man, I can't talk today. So let's power it up. Maybe. There. And we're linked to the camera. And so, even tells me how much battery life is left on my microphone, which is nice. And this microphone, which I'll probably like clip into my hat and stuff, I can also shove this down my shirt, which is what I'm gonna do for now. And there, now I got a microphone here. So now I can walk all the way back here in the back of the shop. I can be working on something back here at a B-roll. If I say something, you will hear it. Which is kind of the idea, is that, you know, the shotgun mic was good at picking up all kinds of noises outside, but the problem is it picks up noises of cars going up and down the road, and we have a ball field not too far from here, and people yell and scream and carry on. I'm kind of hoping I can set up noise cancellation, that this right here won't pick up everything like that. And I've also got a couple other wireless mics. I'm going to start going to wireless mics just because I feel like that's better audio for you guys, and maybe it's not. Now, maybe we'll whip out the shotgun mic or some area mics when we're starting engines and that kind of stuff, because obviously it won't matter what I'm saying at that point in time to kind of get ambient noise going on. But this is a DJI Pocket 3. I'm excited about it. I think it's going to make an awesome camera. And so now I'm going to quit filming with the Panasonic, and we're going to look at a few other things real quick. All right, so the Panasonic is, even by today's standards, I look on, we'll call it eBay, and that right there is about a $150 camera still, which, you know, one of those deals. This camera obviously was more expensive than that, and the problem with this is that this right here is side by side with a Temu camera. Now, I personally have not seen these side by side as far as like trying to edit, so this is going to be interesting for me to see. But this was an $80 camera off of Temu. The sound quality is not as good unless I can hook an external microphone up to it, which I've got some going. I might try, because I think this will make a great stand camera, because it was cheap and why throw it away now? You know, it works. And then if I do away with the Temu camera, and I bring back the, we'll do it this way. There we go. So this right here is the GoPro camera with the media mod, and I have hit my mic. Daggone it, I don't have it set up good. I made a little something for this, and I actually could have made it a little wider to fit everything right. So, okay, media mod, GoPro 9, and then the Temu, sorry, not Temu, the DJI. So this is the media mod audio right here. And I think it sounds pretty good. We have had a shotgun mic hooked to it, the same one that's on the Panasonic, so I think it does all right. And this is the audio from the mic on the DJI. So basically, these are the two cameras that I'm going to be using to film my YouTube from now on. I hope, you can see the color of the truck, I hope the color saturation is better. I hope it gives you guys a better viewing mode. And if this right here works, we're going to film. There we go. I got 3 of them. These right here are going to, if this one turns out good, I might start using it as well, just as a stand camera, maybe to catch B-roll and that kind of stuff. If audio doesn't work, obviously it's not good for that. But here we go, guys. This is it. And we'll do one more fun thing. I'm gonna bring the Panasonic back, and we'll do see if I can layer 4 of them. Okay, and there we go. So all 4 of them recording. You can see the difference and this is unedited because I don't take time to edit my visuals. I know maybe that's bad practice. Maybe if I ever get bigger one of these days and I'm not working a 40-hour week and take care of a bunch of other stuff, maybe I will. I want to be able to shoot and edit, clip stuff together and not have to mess with saturation and white level. And like I can actually turn the white level down on the camera if I think I'm too bright on one of these and then work with it that way. But I don't want to have to post-production edit it. You know, I want to be able to clip things together, put my music in and roll with it. So this is what we're doing. This is the new camera setup. So Panasonic, you've been a good one. I got no problems with you and you're going away. Bye-bye. Temu, we'll probably use you some if this don't turn out too bad. And you're going away. And guys, these are my primary cameras for the channel, which right now is a GoPro 9 with a media mod and the DJI Pocket 3. And I'm gonna have microphones and we may use just some of the sound off the camera itself. It just kind of depends how things go. I'm gonna try and give you guys some quality imagery and some quality audio because I've been trying to improve and you guys deserve better. That's really it. You deserve better because if you've been following me for a while, I apologize for the older camera. I'm not making that much money yet. So if you want to help me make money, give me the like and subscribe. Give me, comment down below. Tell me what you think of the cameras. I would really love to hear what everybody thinks and what everybody thinks about the different audios. And, if you guys have a YouTube channel, tell me what you're filming with. Maybe we'll have a discussion on what works out for everybody. Maybe I might learn something. I might have to buy something else later on. And for now, I am going to cut out on this one because I've got work to do. And guys, we'll see you on the next one.